Hey everyone. Some of you read our newsletter. Thanks. We try pretty hard to maintain a strong technical voice. We're engineers. We speak mostly to other engineers. We want to say things that are interesting and not just marketing crap. In order to do that, we use a lot of software in order to figure out what people are clicking on. So there's like spyware on the emails. I apologize. But it's actually really interesting. I thought that you might also want to see what people like you click on. And maybe we can talk a little bit about how that changes how we behave in writing these newsletters in the future. So I've got here newsletters from April 2023 and May. And we can just go and take a look at what people are clicking on. What we generally find is that people click on highly technical content. So for example, this article is about Pandas 2.0 being released and how it affects PyArrow and Dask. 30% of clicks were on this one article. Great article. Another good example, we publish a Grafana server where people can go and look at the Dask benchmarks and see how they're performing across lots of cool metrics. Things that didn't land as well were like limiting cloud spend. Surprising. This is actually a really interesting article. Like, I recommend people care about reducing costs. But this stuff seems a bit more business focused, maybe, while these things seem like purely tech focused. We've also found that things like the actual like call to action buttons, sign up for tutorials or log in, had almost no engagement. We'll probably remove those in the future just because we don't want to put something there if no one actually clicks on it. There were other fun things here that people didn't click on or people clicked a little bit on. We'll probably start slimming things down a little bit. But again, what we're sort of seeing is deeply technical blog posts on focused topics tend to perform pretty well. This is in May. We see mostly the same thing. We put a jobs link in. So at the bottom here, we got careers. That performed pretty well. And other things here are, how the Dask maintainers test Dask across upstream dependencies. From my perspective, actually a very boring article. It's like a super technical thing, but it engages pretty well. Things that don't do pretty well, here's the demo day invite, which again, people should go to. It's good. Yeah, there's lots of fun things here. But again, I kind of wanted to sort of show a little bit, get some transparency behind how we think about our technical voice and how we communicate to others, and the kind of things that we do to make sure that we're delivering useful content to you all. Hopefully that makes you feel better about receiving an email every month. We try to keep the volume low. Yeah, so that's it. Hope this is interesting. Cheers.